Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create user service and the JWT Utils class in Spring Boot application. So let's get started. Let me create the new package with the name services. Inside the services package, I'm going to create here the new sub package with the name JWT. Inside the JWT, I'm going to create here the new interface and name of the interface that is a user service. So here I'm going to create a method that is a user details service. And the return type of this method that is a user details service. After the interface, I'm going to create here the new class with the name user service impl. This is the class for the implementation of the user service interface. Here I'm going to implement this class with the user service interface. On the top, I'm going to add the annotation that is a @service to make this class as a service in the Spring Boot application. And the second annotation I'm going to add here that is a @required args constructor. Let me implement the method that is a user details service. Here I'm going to inject the user repository. After injecting the user repository, I'm going to return here the new user details service. You can see here the method that is a load user by username. Inside this method, we need to write the logic to retrieve the user from the DB by the email. So here I'm going to call the user repository and the method that is a find first by email. In the argument, I'm going to pass here the username, that is the email of the user. Let me create this method in the user repository. On the place of the return type, I'm going to add here the optional, that is a user. Let's go to the user service impl. After this, we need to add here the else condition where we need to throw the exception that is a user not found. And here I'm going to add the string of the exception that is a user not found. This is the implementation of the user service impl where we are fetching the user by the email from the DB. After the user service, I'm going to create here the new package that is a utils. Inside this, I'm going to create a new class that is a JWT Utils. On the top, I'm going to add here the annotation that is a component. You can see here the method that is a generate token. So let me import this and it will return the method that is a generate token. Let me import this hash map. And in the argument, we are passing the user details. This is the method that we are calling in the return. So let me import the map. In the argument, we are receiving extract claims and the user details object, and we will return here the token date issue, date of expiration, and the token. So let me import the JWTs. Import this from the java.util and the algorithm. You can see here the method that is a get signing in key. This method will return the secret key while the JWT is signing. Let me import the key and the decoders. You can see here the method that is token valid, and the return type of this method that is a boolean. It will return. You can see here we are getting the token and the user details in the argument of this method. This method will return the boolean value like the token is valid or not. You can see here that is a extract username. We are calling this method to extract the email from the token. Let me import the claims. You can see here the method inside the extract username that is a extract claim, that is this one. So these three methods are used to extract the information from the JWT. So let me import this function. And you can see here error removed from the JWT util. You can see here the code with the imports. Okay, so that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment and also subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.